And President Trump says he doesn't want Somali immigrants in the U.S. as sources say ICE is preparing a surge operation in Minneapolis. The president criticized Democratic leaders in Minnesota and blamed Somali immigrants for, quote, ripping off the state.
They go the wrong way if we keep taking in garbage into our country. Ilhan Omar is garbage. She's garbage. Her friends are garbage. These aren't people that work. These aren't people that say, let's go, come on, let's make this place great. These are people that do nothing but complain. They complain. And from where they came from, they got nothing. You know, they came from paradise, and they said, this isn't paradise. But when they come from hell, and they complain and do nothing but bitch, we don't want them in our country.
Now, the Minneapolis mayor says as many as 100 agents could be headed to the city, specifically targeting Somali immigrants. Meanwhile, the Department of Homeland Security says it's launching an immigration enforcement operation in New Orleans. ABC News Justice reporter Luke Barr is here for more on that. Hi, Luke. So what's the latest on these operations, both in Minnesota and in New Orleans?
Yeah, Diane. So this morning we got word that an operation in New Orleans, led by CBP, similar to those operations in Charlotte and Los Angeles and Chicago, those sort of large-scale operations with CBP officers, is starting in New Orleans. That is one operation that's going on, and it's called Operation Calahula Crunch. Now, we were told will be led by Greg Bovino, at least preliminarily, and it will have sort of the hallmarks of those Bovino-led operations. Now, the other operation is going on in Minneapolis, the Minneapolis-St. Paul area, and that will be an ICE, an immigration enforcement operation, a targeted operation, and they are looking at people with all kinds of final order of removal. So this is a targeted operation, according to our sources. Now, of course, the Minneapolis has a high concentration of Somalis, and it's causing concern, according to the mayor and other officials that spoke yesterday, that some U.S. citizens might get rounded up in this targeted enforcement operation, Diane.
And Luke, meanwhile, sources say some naturalization ceremonies for people set to be sworn in as U.S. citizens are now on hold after the administration paused applications from some countries. What does that mean for those prospective citizens who are kind of at this final step in the process?
Yeah, so some of these naturalization ceremonies were paused, we're told, without warning and unexpectedly. Now, the United States has paused all pending applications from the 19 so-called countries of concern, meaning Afghanistan, Iran, Venezuela, meaning even those with pending green card applications will be subject to a pause and a review. Now, a memo that was posted on Tuesday said that anyone from the travel ban list and is in the United States would have their application for asylum and other benefits, including a green card, paused. Now, a lawyer that I spoke with last night said that this is going to be challenged in court and will lead to confusion amongst people that are on this final step and are from those countries. Diane.
All right, Justice reporter Luke Barr, thank you.